against this. Newts and I love to explore, so if you are curious just like us, why not make your own explorer's kit and see what you can find in your own backyard or local park? You will need a notepad and pen, a magnifying glass, a few jars with lids, a shallow tray, a small trowel, and a torch with red cellophane attached on with a rubber band. Your notepad and pencil are for sketches or journaling. We have drawn a picture of a flower we found. The magnifying glass is to examine things closer. We are looking at this feather. Your small trowel is to uncover interesting things in the soil. Look, it's a worm. The jars with lids enable you to collect tiny creatures for brief observation. Remember to put them back after. The shallow tray allows you to spread soil in while looking for tiny inhabitants. Look, there is a slater. And your flashlight with red cellophane means you can look for creatures in the dark, as red won't disrupt night vision. Have fun exploring!